Y'all, we got to get away from the heat of Georgia. It's finally here. It's May 1st, 2021, and we're heating up in more than one way. Leadfoot covered edition. Y'all ready for this? Let's go. Leadfoot's been such a phenomenal color for the Ford lineup, especially our covered edition trucks. That flat primer gray just looks so killer with any combination. On this variation, we wanted to do something that was a little more rugged, so we got a smaller wheel and tire combo going on. So let's get right to it. Up front, we've got that grille combination that, man, especially on the Leadfoot, this is like a gray color from the factory, and it conflicts so, it hurts my heart to see the gray grille on the Leadfoot. So we actually did a satin black finish on this one, the entire grille, as well as our custom emblem. We did Leadfoot where the blue is and the satin black where the chrome is. So we accent it nicely. We typically do the gloss black here or an agate black, but we did the satin black, that kind of almost a matte black finish to contrast with the almost dull flat primer gray color in the Leadfoot. So contrast very nicely, looks phenomenal in our opinion. We got the LED signature lighting, the C shape that runs throughout on the headlights, looks great. This is a sport truck, so you got body color bumpers throughout, door handles as well, so love this combination. Now we are leveled on 34s, y'all. So 34 inch, we want to do 34, not a 35, just to give you a little bit more capability off-road if you do decide to go off-road with this beautiful truck. We've got a Roush Fox 2-inch coilover leveling suspension kit system. Just ride quality is a great benefit. As well as we got Fox shocks in the rear as well. Our wheel and tire combo, we got the very popular fuel block. Actually, y'all, I had this saved for Indoraptor. It just never did happen. So I said, hey, we're gonna put this on our next covered edition. So a rare wheel, very hard to find. I don't know if there's any in America right now. They're all across the sea. So essentially, this is a very rare wheel combo. So the fuel block wheel, 17x9, iconic Ken block wheel, looking so great. Zero offset. We are 285, 75, 17 Toyo Open Country MT, that true mud terrain tire. This equates to essentially a 34-inch tall tire. It's like a 33.9 by 11.8 wide. So a good proportion of a wider, taller stance for you. Looking great. So Brady, let's step back and show them a good 11 on 34 shot there. Look at that. Just looks so great, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments, please, on the overall proportion of this truck. Leadfoot and all. Now, this finish in the wheel is a matte finish too. So we wanted to complement that with our front grille and our side teardrop. So this is typically that gray color as well on a Leadfoot truck. Just does not look good in my opinion. So we do satin black on this one as well to flow with our wheel and our grille and rear emblem. Also, you got a textured mirror here too, so it kind of complements each other nicely. If you had gloss and gloss and gloss galore, you'd have to just do more paint work to get it to flow nicely. So we like the way this turned out. Now on the inside, of course, we got Lumar window tint, guaranteed for life. We got cat skin leather seating, so essentially this brings the XLT price point and discount to the forefront with great convenience and great value. That big 12-inch touchscreen, which Brady, man, he got in this truck a minute ago. He was like, Dad, that thing is just popping. I love that big screen. So love the interior qualities. It's just next level, y'all. They've done a great job with this 14th gen. Rear wheel well liners in the rear, as well as the Fox 2.0 shocks out back. Just kind of our foundation of our covert package. We've got a Retrax 1 XR bed cover, retractable style. We like the XR. We actually like to do this one on a lot of customer builds as well as lot vehicles because it gives you the option to put in the T-slot here additional accessories. You can do cargo racks, tent, any accessories, kayak carriers, bike carriers galore. So that's a cool benefit. Out back, had to do the custom emblem. The satin black as the outside perimeter really contrasts nicely with the Leadfoot. That just looks great. Now our mild to wild scale, that zero offset, we're sticking out ever so slightly, probably with a little bit of the sidewall bulge. You're probably looking at right at an inch to inch and a half. So a great proportion with a 285 width on a zero offset. This is one of my favorite setups. I really do like the way This sticks out not quite as much as a 295 width on a zero offset. So all of your questions you may have for your setup on your next F-150, hit us up. We'd love to help you guys. So let's give them one more good little walk around, Brady. Truck just looks, with that daytime signature lighting going on, with all the accents on our Covert, this truck just works in so many ways. Tried and true. No, this one won't last long. The lead foot trucks are so popular in the stock form, and definitely the Covert's just a ready to go option for you. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. We're actually inside our service apartment. Like I said, it's hot out there today. It's probably 85 degrees out there. So we're trying to find a little shelter and get some lighting. Just trying to find a little shelter and get some better lighting for you guys on the videos, because if you're outside and it's real sunny, the video quality is not quite as good when everything's just kind of real glaring. So thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate all your support. Stay tuned for more, because we got so many more trucks coming to you this month and more. Willies at Akins Ford, Winder, Georgia. Peace.